Hello, dear Aquarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a reading for Aquarius singles. And this is a reading from 25th of May till 25th of June. So keep in mind, it might or might not resonate with you. Okay. So let's see. Let's start. So I'll tap into your past energy, your present energy, what your past person feels for you, and whether some new person is coming towards you or not, or you are ready for a new energy or not, and what is coming towards you till 25th of June. Okay, let's start. Your past energies were your past energy were was I'm not sure about the grammatical things here, so please don't you know don't go on the grammatical things, just go on the reading, go by the reading. Yeah, this is cool. So let's see, Aquarius. Your past energy was Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you were working on yourself, your self care, self healing, self love, working on your finances. So, might be in the recent past you were deeply hurt by something or someone, and you shifted your focus on yourself, your self care, self love, self healing. It is all about self. Okay, it was all about self. Let's clarify. It could also mean that you were ready to commit to somebody. You were just uh, carrying this commitment offer in your hands, and you were just ready to give it to somebody. It could also mean like that. Let's clarify. The Magician, the Moon, and the Strength. I feel like you were manifesting somebody very deeply. Again, you were manifesting, but you had lots of fear. So if you have fears in your mind, you can't manifest anything, Aquarius. This is the truth. You should be very sure about something, that if you want something, you should be clear about them, and you should be positive about that particular thing, that yes, it is going to work out. But your subconscious fears are not letting you get what you want. Okay, and might be you were dealing with a Leo. So I feel like you were manifesting something, but there were subconscious fears attached to that manifestation, and that you were holding back. You're trying to hold back a lot. So I feel like now I feel you were manifesting a commitment of or a committed relationship. This is what was happening in the past. Now this is the clarification of this thing. So you were manifesting a committed relationship with somebody, but you were very fearful. It is not going to work out. My manifestation is not working. My manifestation is not that much powerful. You were trying to manifest, but again you were very fearful. Simultaneously both the things were happening, and this is not how law of attraction works. Yeah, I'll teach you someday. Good. So let's see your current energy, Aquarius. Your current energy right now is Three of Swords. Deeply hurt, Aquarius. You are deeply hurt by something. You are heartbroken, completely shattered. You are not able to understand what is happening with your life. Okay, you are trying to heal your broken heart. You this is like you are going through hell right now. You are going through a very sad or depressing phase of your life right now. Okay, let's clarify, Aquarius. Two of Swords, Eight of Cups, and King of Wands. I feel like you are trying to emotionally close yourself, and because somebody walked away or you walked away from somebody, but you carry a lot of passion about this particular person, for this particular person. Okay, this is what is happening, Aquarius. You are trying to hold your emotions. You are on the crossroads. You are not able to understand which direction is the right direction for you, and you're trying to walk away from somebody or something. You're trying your hard to walk away from this hurtful situation, but you are still carrying a lot of passion for this particular person. Okay, that is why I feel like that is why you're completely heartbroken and completely sad right now, depressing phase right now, Aquarius. This is what is your current energy. Okay, my god, sorry to hear that, Aquarius. You are going through a heartache right now. Let's see what the past person feels for you. Whomsoever you were connected in the past, let's see what this person feels for you right now. Four of Cups. This person is completely restless. They are not able to make any kind of decision. I feel like this person could be having lots of options, maybe, or they could be having more than two options. It could also be possible. There could be a possibility. I'm not saying it is the thing. But I feel like this person is completely dissatisfied, restless, and they are not able to understand which way to go, which one to choose. Okay, if this love interest is okay for them or not. See, I feel like you are trying to commit to them, or you are trying to offer something solid to them, but this person is still not in this phase of uh, commitment or love, or some kind of marriage thing. Right now this person is hell lot of confused. This person is confused about this connection. This is the right word. This person is deeply confused about this particular connection with you. Let's clarify. Six of cups, six of wands, and knight of cups. Yes, I feel like this person feels like there was a very very beautiful relationship between you guys in the past, and you guys were feeling victorious with each other, you guys were feeling successful with each other, you guys were feeling like you guys make each other very very happy, and there was love in this connection as well. Okay, there was love also in this connection. This is not the connection it is just for fun or something like that. This was not a fling or something. There was love in this connection. But these past things, there was something in the past that happened that leads to this boredom. Might be this person is just bored right now because of long-term committed relationship. You guys are having long-term relationship with each other, and that is why this person is a little bored or dissatisfied. But I feel like this person is confused whether this relationship is going to be the same again as it was in the past. That is why this person is not willing to take any kind of risk right now, because they feel like this is not happening, this is not going to work out. Aquarius, this is the truth that you have to face. Let's see if somebody new is coming towards you, or if you are ready for new love or new love offer. Let's see. Nice. Just give me a second, Aquarius. Okay. Let's see. Let's shuffle again. These cards are very slippery, but I love these cards. Let's see if you are ready for a new relationship. Page of Cups. Yes. I feel like there's somebody new coming towards you, Aquarius. This is the Page of Cups energy. So I feel like there's somebody new coming towards you. This person could be younger to you. I will see if you are ready for this particular love offer or not. Or it could also mean that you are developing new feelings for the same person from the past person. Okay, I will clarify it. So I feel like somebody new is also coming towards you, and somebody new is younger than you. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Cups. It could be somebody who is known to you, but they were not able to say you that, or tell you that they love you or they have feelings for you. Let's clarify. The Tower, the High Priestess, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, let me analyze what is happening here. So I feel like after this breakup thing, you are trying to listen to your intuition. You are just trying to listen to yourself, listen to your intuition after this shocking breakup, after this shocking heartbreak thing that happened to you. And you are being very very defensive, very very defensive towards anybody new coming towards you. Although somebody new is coming towards you, although somebody new, a new love offer is coming towards you, but you are very very defensive. You are listening to your intuition. You are not ready for a new relationship as of yet. Okay, maybe somebody proposed you, maybe somebody told you that they have feelings for you, but I feel like you are not ready for this new love as of now, because you feel this is not the right time. I am carrying lots of emotions for the past person, Aquarius. This is what is happening. You are acting very very defensive. You are just trying to protect yourself from being hurt again. And first of all, you are not able to move on from the past person. This is the thing. Let's see what is coming towards you till 25th of June, Aquarius. What is coming towards you till 25th of June? Two of Cups. Beautiful energy. I feel like there is somebody new in this scenario, and there is solid love offer coming towards you till 25th of June. Beautiful love offer coming towards you, Aquarius, till 25th of June. I feel like I don't feel like this is a past person, but I feel like there's somebody new coming towards you with a love offer. I can see that there is somebody new in your energy. Okay, and this person sees you as a love potential. This person sees you as a soulmate energy. Beautiful love offer coming towards you, beautiful soulmate energy coming towards you till 25th of June. Let's clarify. This is very beautiful energy. Let's see. Three of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Ten of Cups. So I feel like you turn your back. This is reconciliation. This is reconciliation, Aquarius. I feel like you are turning your back to somebody new, first of all. The second thing is you were waiting for something to happen from a very long time. You were waiting for a reconciliation from a very long time. And this reconciliation will happen, and this will give you very, very beautiful energy, very, very happy energy, very, very, good energy of happiness, beautiful energy of family, love, care, everything. So I feel like this is a reconciliation coming in towards you because you were manifesting this reconciliation from a very long time. And this reconciliation is going to give you very, very happy energy, very, very good energy, beautiful energy. God bless you, Aquarius. So I feel like you are, rejecting the new love offer, and there will be a reconciliation with the past person because you feel like that you want the past person back in your life. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.